Hi, this is Dave, fellrunningguide. In this video I'm going to show you how to take a compass bearing between 2 points on a map. So I want us to think that we are here on this point called Walk, and we want to go down across the FB footbridge, up the path on the other side of the valley, across the path there, and then get to this point here where two paths meet, where the path junction is. So how do I do that? Well, the first thing I need to do is get a compass, and I'm going to place it with its edge along, joining up the 2 points. So almost as if I'm going to use it as a ruler to join a point at Call Walk, the point I want to go to at the path junction. It's very important that I have this arrow here, the direction of travel arrow, pointing towards the direction I want to go. So I want to go from there to there. So that arrow has to be pointing that direction as well. Once I've got the edge of the compass lined up between the 2 points, I need to then turn the compass dial so that the N is pointing to the top of the map. And these parallel lines inside the compass dial need to be parallel with the grid lines that run from top to bottom of the map. Once I've done that, I can look there where there's a little black line inside the compass dial, and that is where I read off the bearing. So you can see it's between 80 and 100, and it's just under the little E for east. So the direction I need to go in to get from Call Walk to that path junction is 90 degrees. In the next video I'll go out into the landscape and show you how to do that. That's all from me.